Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and this is something I don't want to happen to anyone of my good affiliate marketers, my friend, even my bad affiliate marketers, my friend. Okay, so this is a serious topic which I want to discuss today. What if your Aweber or Getresponse account decides to shut your account down? All right, so if this is something happens to your affiliate marketing business, what are the solutions that you can rely on if this thing happens? And trust me, my friend, don't get emotionally attached to any of these autoresponder company because they are not your friends. They are doing business. You are doing business. Okay, so don't think that I'm going to be totally relying on only one email autoresponder, and this autoresponder is never going to shut me down. Trust me, my friend, it has happened to me in 2017 when I had a list of like 5,000 subscribers, permission-based 5,000 subscribers email list. And suddenly one day, Weber sends me an email, and this has happened to a lot of affiliate marketers. You can search on Google also that Weber sends me an email and they say, we are closing your account because we think you are sending spam emails now. In my opinion, is nothing such like a spam email. Okay, something like if you're misleading with the subject line, if you're misleading with the content in your email, and then the offer is different, then we can consider it scam. It's kind of like a spam, but it's of course an advertising. When you see a fairness cream advertisement, don't dare to think like I would put it one day and I will be fair. Okay, this is not happen, but still this advertisement is hyped up too much, and then people don't say it is a scam or it is a spam. All right, so but with email advertisement, everybody tells that if somebody sends out some hype emails, it's a spam. No, it's not a spam. Trust me, my friend, I can show you a lot of people emails, a big marketers email. Now, I'm not blaming them because they are all my good friends, but I can show you a lot of big people's email which I'm getting right now today itself, and they are kind of like a really hypey subject lines with no quality content, and still their accounts are going good. Okay, so I was a victim, so a lot of people were victim also. But think about yourself. If you have like a 10,000 subscribers list, which you have paid a lot of money to build in, and someday it happens that Getresponse or Aweber thinks that you're not giving a good quality content to your subscribers, we think we should ban your account. You can do nothing about it. I had a list of 5,000 subscribers which was making me $1,000 per month, my friend. Suddenly one day it had stopped. My cash flow had stopped, and it was a really huge disaster in my affiliate marketing business way back in 2017. So what are the solution? That is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, my friend. Trust me, this video is going to be a lot more helpful for you guys, so I would request you to see this video. So the first solution which I think that you should always have, even though your Aweber or Getresponse or any other email autoresponder is running in a good condition, is to have a backup of your list. All right, you adding 100 subscribers every single day, or maybe week, or maybe month. Trust me, you don't want to completely get emotionally attached to your email autoresponder. Have a backup of that email list, my friend. Always, not possibly daily, so weekly, always weekly, download your email list. All right, and save it on a hard drive or maybe pen drive, wherever you think it's safe. All right, now the first solution which I think is one of my personal guys which I always trust, and he's a guy from Sri Lanka. His Skype name is live tjosm. So you can contact me, you can pause this video, you can contact me, and he set up all this thing for me. I don't have to do anything. He just give me that account name, login password. Now for to sending 150,000 emails, he's charging $50 on this. This is for me, and the validity of that account is for 30 days or 60 days. So you have to complete you have to utilize this email. So if you have a list of like 10,000 subscribers, then you can basically send 15 times. You can send the email 15 times in a month or maybe daily. So for you, if you're sending one email daily with a 10,000 subscribers base list, then you should have $100 budget to send 300,000 emails in a month. Okay, so that is the math. Okay, this is the pricing which he gives for me. I don't know about you, but if you reach out to him on Skype, you can send my name that I have referred you, and he would give you a good discount. All right. The second one is go to Fiverr, my friend. This is a great option. I would highly recommend go to fiverr.com and type in the search bar email autoresponder with SMTP. Okay, and this Skype guy I got from Fiverr only, so he's a go-to guy in my opinion. The first option is definitely this guy. Then the second is if you're not getting him, then you can go to Fiverr. You can type in email autoresponder with SMTP. That means all the setup is done for you. You can click on search and you would get all of these people over here, which will set up all this email autoresponder account for you. Okay, now I don't know which one is good or which one is bad. I certainly got that Skype guy from Fiverr itself, so he is good for me. The delivery is good. I have got some sales with that sending email also. Now this is something you have to keep on the safer side. It's not something that you are running with your account right now. I mean, you are having your Aweber or Getresponse in a good condition, and then you are using these guys. No, you don't have to use it. But on the safer side, keep note of these kind of things. Okay, disaster may happen at any time. You should be prepared. You should have the second solution ready, my friend. If something happens wrong, then you can go for this solution. I'm not saying you should be doing it parallelly. I mean, you have Aweber and you are doing this one also. No, it's not going to be making any sense. You are going to be spending a lot more. All right, but if something happens, trust me, this video will save you, my friend. Right now, the second option I told you, the Fiverr guy. Fiverr, now you can go to Fiverr and this guy are going to be doing all this thing for you. You can choose according to the ranking, all right, or how many people have sold. Over here, this guy have sold 35, this 1, 3. The more are great. Okay, you can click on a pro service, so it will just narrow it down, so you can see this one, then maybe this one. You can try it out, and these are cheap, not cheap option, but it's good to have this to get started with this self-hosted autoresponder service. Now the next one is Sendio by tjosm. This is something which I'm also using over here. So this is Sendio. Now they have released a third version which has also have an AI version for that, and here basically you have to download your list. No verification is required. I have 17,000 subscribers onto Sendio. This is my account. You can see over here. They have an option to, these are email sending services which you have to use if you want to send emails. I would recommend Mailgun is good, SendGrid is good. Okay, so you can try it out. Amazon SES is a bit too lengthy to set it up, but you can get it from fiverr.com. If you type in Amazon SES setting services, that kind of thing, you would get some guys who would do all this work for you. All right, so Sendio is a good option to save your list. Okay, there's a one-time fee, and then you just have to add this SMTP services. Okay, but with the Fiverr option, everything is going to be done for you. For Sendio, you have to add your SMTP. All right, now the last option for Sendio, now the new version, which is the third version, they have got 3-in-1 autoresponder, where you can send email also, you can send text, SMS on the mobile of subscriber, and you can also send Facebook Messenger through the Facebook Messenger. The 3-in-1 autoresponder is there. So if you have a budget for like $50-$60 to get started, you can try it out. Sendio. I'm going to be putting the link to Sendio 3, the third version, or maybe in the future it will have 4th or 5th version. So in the link you can check the description, the link to Sendio. And next is the Facebook, this guy. All right, so I'm gonna go to Facebook, and this is the person, Arianto Vijaya. So he is a bit high in price, but he helps you set up this all account. And you can see he has got fantastic opens and click-through rate. So you can contact him also as well, but he's a bit pricey. So I can just share with you the pricing of that person. He is really pricey. You can see over here, almost like $400 to set it up. And then the cost is like $6 per month. So he's going to set up all for you, but the pricing to get started is a bit high. So for those people who don't have this kind of budget, maybe it would be not that much affordable for you. So these are the solutions which you can try it out if, for God forbid, something happens to you and your account gets closed. Okay, so don't underestimate this, then nothing will happen. These 4 options which I have just shared with you, this one, don't use it right now. If your Aweber, if your Getresponse is working fine, it's okay. You don't have to get this option, but keep this in, or keep this on your notepad. Keep this video on the safer side. If something happens in the future, make sure to have this option ready. Okay, download your email list every week, my friend. Keep it safe, all right, because that is your biggest asset. Okay, so that was my solution for you if your Aweber or Getresponse shuts you down. All right, so let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. Let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video. All right, till then, next time, have a great day. Bye bye.